Hello viewers, welcome to Clipping Amazon Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create text portrait effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open a photo and select the subject with selection tool. There are several tools for selection, but I'm taking quick selection tool. Now select the subject carefully, pressing Shift from keyboard. For deselection, press Alt and deselect the unwanted area. Now copy the selected area pressing Ctrl+J from keyboard. Now take a new layer and drag the layer under the copied layer. After that, take solid color black for this layer. Select the layer 1 and take horizontal type tool and select the area like the following way. After that, go to type and then paste lorem ipsum. Here we will find some text. If you want, you can take any kind of text, song lyrics or anything. Try to take black color for text always. After taking the text, select it and toggle the character and paragraph panel. From there, try to fix the text words, gap and distance. Try to fix the gap and distance perfectly to make your effect perfect. After that, copy the text pressing Ctrl+C and paste it several times pressing Ctrl+V. Now take the layer 1 up to the text layer and make clipping mask. Your text portrait effect is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.